Today in math, we're going to talk more about pictographs. Now remember, this is a graph using pictures. But now today we're going to do how to make one. So let's see. I'm going to insert a table. Like that for now. Every graph needs a title. Now let's do, how about, what is your favorite toy? Okay. So let's see, the first one is going to be teddy bear. The next one is going to be Legos. And the one after that is going to be, let's do doll. Now, you need to have a diagram on the bottom that tells you what picture and how many it counts for. So, I'm going to draw a little guy. And this guy means one person. Okay? So this equals one person. So what you do is you ask maybe like 10 people, what is your favorite toy? Now you can only vote one time and it has to be something on here. So of these three, which is your favorite toy? So let's make it a little bit bigger so I can draw my person. Oops, and that picture there. All right, so we'll pretend that I'm drawing a person. So let's say so these are the people I asked and that they told me what they liked. So now we know what people's favorite toy is. So if I asked questions such as, what toy did the people like best? What toy did the people like least? How many people did I ask? Or how many people voted? So what toy do people like the best? I'm gonna look. I can tell that Legos was the one that people liked the best. What toy do people like the least? I can see that dolls was the one the least. And how many did I ask? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this was just pretend because I don't have 6 people here right now. But when you're around a bunch of people, this is how you gather information. Okay, you always need a title. You always need to what the picture, what it stands for. You need to tell us what you're voting for. So let's see. I don't think you're going to be doing this in your book today. But if we were in school, this is what we would have done. It would have been asking 10 friends what their favorite pet is. And it says each circle stands for one child. So when you gather the information, you write it. We can do this one together. It's asking, are there more black or white sheep in the picture? So sheep in the meadow, black and white, and each circle stands for one sheep. So there you have one black, 1, 2. So there's 2 more black. Again, sorry, it's sloppy. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white. So they each stand for 1. there are more blank sheep? Is there more white sheep or black sheep? So you would look at the graph, and I can tell white is longer, so there are more white. You can do graphs with really anything that you'd like. You could do your favorite pet. You can do your favorite activity. Let's see, let's answer some questions about this graph. So how many children, so it's favorite paint color, blue, red, green, okay? And each circle stands for one child. So how many children chose the paint color? So you would count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 children voted. How many fewer children chose green than blue? So we go back to that how many more, how many less. I need to subtract. So how many blue? There's 5. How many green? There's 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 3 fewer children chose black. You can also make a partner. How many do not have a partner? 3. Let's see. Ooh, this one might be tricky. Matt adds his own choice to the graph. Now 2 colors have the same number of circles. Choose the color that Matt chooses. So if it's going to be the same, one person votes and it's the same, he's going to probably vote for green because then green and red would be the same. Use the graph at the top. How many children chose blue and red? So when you see and, you're not subtracting, you're adding. Because I want to know how many in both groups. So there was 5 blue, 3 red. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So you can use a graph to find out so much information. So there is not a paper in your packet today on pictographs. However, if you feel like making your own, like what I did on here, maybe you can ask people in your house what their favorite color is, what their favorite activity is, what their favorite toy is, okay? And you can practice making that on your own. Have fun!